Windows Server 2008 installation in VMbox.
Hello guys, we are back again with another video tutorial. A tutorial about how to install a Windows Server and modify the user rights assignment in local security policy. Of course, the first thing to do is to create a virtual machine using a .iso file type. If you didn't know how to create one, kindly watch our other video tutorial on how to install an OS inside the VMbox, or you can just watch and pause. Locate the Windows Server 2008.iso file type and insert it to the virtual machine. After creating, run the machine. Loading usually takes some time, so patience is the key.
Select your language preference, then continue. Click Install Now. A prompt will appear asking for product key. Just click Next, then click No to continue. Otherwise, input the product key if you have one. You can have one by purchasing the product since it is included in the Windows package.
In here, select what edition of the Windows Server you want to install. Choose the Standard Edition. Then click Next. Agree to the terms and conditions to continue. Then just continue throughout the installation setup. Then just wait for it to finish installing. After the installation, input a password according to your liking. And that's it for the installation of Windows Server 2008.
Moving on to modifying the user rights assignments in local security policy. Press the Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type secpol.msc, then click on OK to open local security policy. Expand local policies in the left pane, then click on User Rights Assignment. In the right pane, double-click on the policy that you want to modify. Click the Add User Group. Then, Object Types. Check all the boxes for object types, then click OK. Click the Advanced button. Then, the Find Now button. Select the name of the user or group you want to add, then click OK. After that, just click OK. And that's it for adding a user or group in user rights assignment.
Now, let's try to remove a user or group in user rights agreements. Press the Window plus R keys to open Run. Type secpol.msc, then click OK to open Local Security Policy. Expand local policies in the left pane, then click on the User Rights Assignment. In the right pane, double-click on the policy that you want to modify. Then select the user or group that you want to remove, then click Remove. Then click OK. And that's it for removing a user or group in user rights assignment. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video tutorial.